and Roma.
Hello. Good morning. One moment. Kids! Look, I have something interesting for you.
Magic vending machine? Wow! Let's learn different school subjects. Language.
What is it?
Blocks.
Let's put the letters on the cubes into the words.
Let's begin. Okay.
Car. So cool.
Ball. Wow. Doll. Wow. Cat. Hi.
Meow.
You are the best.
Math.
What's this?
Ah.
Wow. Wow.
Abacus.
Let's count together. 2 teddy bears plus 3 teddy bears equal
3.
This is correct. And surprise! Come on.
Thank you.
What's this?
I'm first. Oh. Look how cute.
Ah. Hello. Green.
Blue one. Wow. Hello.
Wow. Gold. So beautiful.
Science.
Wow.
A volcano. Cool.
Let's do experiments.
Great idea.
Uh-huh.
It's easy.
Wow. Oh no. Oh.
Let's play floor is lava. Oh no.
Stop, kids, stop. Calm down.
Super!
Ooh.
Art.
Yoo-hoo! Wow! Cool!
Let's decorate bird feeders.
Okay. I like it.
So fun!
La 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 la.
Amazing!
Wow. Nice.
Finished. Look. Look.
Good job. Let's hang them on the tree.
Yay!
Come on.
Let's start. La 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 la. La 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 la.
Great job!
Love it. Ready.
Hooray!
Yahoo! Thank you.
Physical education.
Wow.
What's this?
I will show you. Follow me.
Let's go. La 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 la.
Okay. Just watch. Wow.
Wow.
Come on.
vending machine.
Yay!